Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Urbanista headphones with your iPhone. First of all, you have to rotate your headphones and find this power button. So move it like that, close to this indicator, and now just wait until this indicator starts blinking blue and red. And then you have to just go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, click on the switcher and select your Urbanista Seattle headphones. Now just wait a little bit until the connection will be set up. We can try to repeat. First, just turn off the Bluetooth and try to select your headphones one more time. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.